Hey everyone, I'm here at Busch Gardens bright and early today because there's something special going on. As you can see from the crowd behind me, a lot of people are here today, but today they are opening a preview center for DarKoaster. The preview center is going to be open from 12:30 in the afternoon until 5 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays from now until March 12th. So you have a little under a month to come and see it for yourself. Remember, the park hours those days are noon to 6, so it opens a half hour after the park opens and it closes an hour before the park closes. So make sure you get over there if you want to see it before the end of the day at the park. Preview centers are kind of a dying breed nowadays. The last one I personally remember seeing was back when Universal Studios Florida was opening Islands of Adventure, and that was back in the late 90s, so it's been decades since I've seen one. I'm not sure when the last one was here, so it's very exciting that they're doing this for people. I'm going to hurry up over there, check it out, and show you what they have available. So here's the preview center right out in front of the building that houses DarKoaster. You'll go through the old queue, and they also have this photo spot out here in front of the preview center. Whether this remains after the preview center closes remains to be seen, but considering how well constructed it is, I expect it to stay there. The one for Pantheon is still there, so I don't know why they wouldn't keep this one. Alright, here we go.
Oh my god, it's getting over.
So right off the bat, as soon as you enter the room, they have blueprints on a table that show the track layout, and also probably a preview of what's to come for merchandise over here on the side. The coaster's going to make 2 laps around this track with 2 launches on the track for a total of 4 launches. Nice touch with the confidential on that lower.
So there's the layout right here.
Some great pictures of the concept art. Here's the floor plan, labeled as confidential. That's possibly the launch area. Is this what Ludwig wears? Probably is, because right past this outfit, there's Ludwig there. Evil, lifeless eyes, ghostly face, and sunken cheekbones. So the idea comes from a real place called DarKastle.
Sorry. Orders are coming in from lightning damage down the region. Most notable and
confidential information. Here are the key elements. The setting is an old German castle. It involves a storm, curious members of an organized expedition search party, and the ride is on snowmobiles. And here's a look at those snowmobiles. Concepts of the lightning. The only way to escape is on the snowmobiles. Floating demon-like apparition called a wraith, which they mentioned. Here's the announcement their plans. Very specific breakdowns.
So I'm excited to see what people think of our new team character. DarKoaster has been a thrill and a joy to develop. We brought a world-class team together, not only from the engineering side to create an amazing roller coaster.
And these are planned things to add, drinks and merchandise.
To create a very unique story.
Concepts for the announcement video.
The King Ludwig DarKastle narrative.
And up here there's a making of video being shown on a loop.
Coaster attraction, combining a family thrill roller coaster with DarKastle story, taking the homage to King Ludwig and all of those characters and creating a second chapter of that story, one and two.
On the way out, as a thanks, they'll give you a set of DarKoaster beads. I assume that they have a whole bunch of these available because it's Mardi Gras, so these are probably the ones that they didn't put the Mardi Gras logo on. They just put the DarKoaster logo on there instead. To commemorate the opening of the DarKoaster Preview Center, they're also offering a limited time alcohol-free beverage for members. This is a look at it. It looks like it's grape flavored, so I'm going to give it a try and let you know about it. As expected, it tasted kind of grapey, a little bit punchy. It was okay, but it was a standard fruit drink. I mean, it doesn't hurt to come try it. They're giving it away for members, so it wouldn't cost you anything to give it a shot. It's not terrible, but it's nothing to write home about. So that was it. It was just the one hallway in there that had anything to look at. We didn't get to go back and look at the queue or the track or the cars, so come in with kind of low expectations, but at the same time, if you're interested in seeing some sort of behind the scenes footage of a coaster, this is pretty interesting. I personally could have stayed there probably an hour and read everything if there wasn't a line, so if this is what you're into, come by. It's a lot of fun to look at everything they have there, especially the concept art for the villain and the potential outfit that he might be wearing. So we'll see how it shapes up when it opens. It's interesting to note that the coaster opens March 12th, which is not between Mardi Gras and St. Patrick's Day, and it's not after St. Patrick's Day. It's right in the middle of Mardi Gras, which to me it feels like the only reason I could think that they would do that is they're planning on having the member previews for the coaster shortly after that. So I'm hoping the member previews will be late March, and then it might open to the public early April, maybe mid-April. That's nothing official has been told to me, so it's just conjecture, but I wanted to let you know that it makes a lot of sense to me. One more thing I wanted to mention, and yes, I do have the ability to teleport. By the time you see this video, there will be a poll on the community tab of our page. For some people, I know food is part of the amusement park experience, and it's an important part. So our videos have been ignoring food when the subject matter isn't related to food, but if food is important to you, like it is to me, we'll take a time out of our videos to include a food item, even if it's not really relevant to the subject matter of the video. Let us know if you'd like to see that added to our videos, and if enough of you like it, we'll make it happen. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Every like and subscribe really helps the channel a lot. Also, if you could check out our Instagram page, which is appearing down in the corner right now, we would also appreciate that. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for watching, but the fun's not over yet. Click the box in front of my face for another fun video, or click my tree to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video.